Hey y'all, welcome back. I should welcome myself back because I have been gone for a very long time. I have been gone for over a year. So many things have transpired and changed in my life, and I just wanted to come back, give y'all an update on life, let y'all know exactly what I've been doing, what I've been up to, and also tell you about my new adventure that I just started that I plan on bringing y'all along with the entire way. If that sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching. Hey y'all, so I have been gone for over a year. A lot of things have happened in my life. I'm still not married and I don't have any kids, so none of that has happened, but I have been doing my real estate. I've been doing very well. If you hear this crying in the background, it is this person. You need to hush while you film me. It is this person that has something in his mouth he shouldn't. So I'm officially a Frenchie mama. I passed, which he just got something on. I passed my NMLS test with an 88, which means that not only am I a licensed Alabama real estate agent, I am also about to be a licensed mortgage loan originator. So a lot of people do not understand that, or are aware that you can be a realtor and a mortgage loan officer. The reason why I decided to get my mortgage license is because the mortgage side is really the most power in the real estate deal. There's a lot of things that people do to get loans that we don't know, like tips, tricks, things like that. As y'all know, I have my own credit repair business. I do have to stop that because it is a conflict of interest with mortgage. So I will be stopping that. I will just be putting on YouTube live and seminars in my office, my real estate office, starting December the 1st. Once I'm licensed and all that, I'm done with everything, but the mortgage license has taken a while for me to get cleared. It's just a lot slower than it is for real estate, so I'm just waiting to get cleared and to start actually doing mortgages because I have several people that are waiting on me. But yeah, so I will start doing so people that do need help with credit, if it's just building, repairing, whatever, I will be holding workshops once a month in my real estate office, and also live on this channel to show you how to do it and how to repair your own credit, because it's very important. I also have, well, plan on transitioning from my current job. A lot of you do not know this, but I am a manager for a major cell phone, well, wireless company. Okay, so I'm gonna end up transitioning from that. I have not made up my mind when that date is, but I will definitely keep you informed on that. That will be a big decision for me, because once I leave corporate America, I will never go back. That's a testimony in itself. We will not get on that spiel. I will do that one day soon. I want to show y'all my little sticky notes that I wrote the days that I took my real estate test and the day I took my mortgage test, and I wrote that I was gonna pass and on these dates, and I did. And I'm just so proud of myself for getting this far in life. I'm full circle. I've moved. I'm not in Montgomery anymore. I'm in Birmingham, Alabama on 280. I absolutely love Birmingham. It is a great place to live. It's a good city that's not like Atlanta. That's just too much. Atlanta's just way too much. So I really enjoy being in Birmingham. Besides me being a Frenchie mama, I'm gonna transition from my current job soon. I also have started my own online boutique, and I'll insert something right here. It's called J Lux Incorporated. I love fashion, but I'm gonna have a separate channel about like my personal health and fashion and different things like that, how I plan on transforming my physical body. I'm not gonna get surgery. That came out the wrong way, but how I just plan on working with my trainer and my nutritionist and getting myself back on track where I need to be, because my weight has fluctuated a lot. But I have my own online boutique. I do not do clothes. I want my own clothing line one day, so I just don't want to do clothes. I feel like so many people do clothes right now, and it's very overpopulated industry when it comes to online, like Instagram clothing boutiques and things like that. So I do accessories, which is all this right here. There are designer brooches and earrings and things like that. I do shoes. I have so many cute shoes on there. I do handbags. I do the furry slides. I do cell phone cases. I do AirPod cases. What am I missing? That's pretty much it. But go over to my new channel that I will put below and go visit my website. I'm going to do a giveaway for my new channel. So if anyone subscribes and goes on the website and checks it out or whatever like that and follows us on Instagram, I will send you a free item from the store. So we will be doing that giveaway. I'm going to open it up this weekend, which is Friday, and then I'll do the drawing on Monday. But that's pretty much it. I wanted to catch y'all up. I'm here to stay. So there's a few things that I'm gonna ask y'all about what you want this channel to be more geared toward, if it's financial things, or just like all self-love type of things, self-development type of content. I really love to read. I have 3 books that I ordered. This is one right here. I ordered this one. I ordered Think and Grow Rich, and I also ordered another one, which I'll look up in a second, and I'll put it in the caption of what I ordered. So I'm gonna be reading those 3 and giving you a review about the books. All these books are staple books that have been around for years that people really love. Oh, the other book was The Happier Life or The Happiest Life or something like that. It's written by Robert someone. But I listened to Mike Todd, Pastor Mike from Transformation Church, and he did a whole series on this book. It changed his life. So I'm all about like changing your life financially and things like that. So I will be reading that book, and I will be reviewing it and seeing like how it plans on changing. There's a lot of things I want to do in my life to transform. I do have a financial channel, but I'm not perfect financially. You know, there's still things that I need to pay off, like student loans and things like that most of us have. But I do plan on being debt free in about 3 years. The only big purchase that I've made since I haven't been on the channel is I did buy me a new car. My old car I still have, but it was just giving me a little bit of trouble, and I did want me something very nice. So I did buy me a Mercedes GLC 300, and I'll probably do like a review of that car on here because it is one of the more popular SUVs. So when I get it washed and stuff this weekend, I'll probably upload another video about like the review of that. Do I think you should buy it? I've had it for a year now. It was just a year, like the other day, the October the 13th was a year. I do love my car, but there are some yays and nays about it. I love it, but you know, I should have got me a Tesla. No, I'm just playing. No, I'm for real. But anywho, so I'm much more happier now. I am excited about getting this channel back going. I want to start uploading at least once a week. My ultimate goal is to upload 3 times a week. I know some people that upload a lot, but they're also full-time YouTubers. I'm about to get started in real estate investing with a friend of mine. So I will take y'all along that journey as well. That is how I plan on getting myself out of debt in 3 years. I will definitely be putting that journey on here for real, because now that I can write mortgages, write loans, let me stop saying mortgages, write loans, I will know a whole heck of a lot more now and be able to give y'all all the insider tea on how this stuff works. Okay, of course I am going to be as open and honest as possible, and I will also be including like how much I make and different things like that, and letting you know that kind of stuff, because I feel like this channel would not be what it is if I wasn't as open about certain things. So I would definitely tell y'all what goes on. I also have something very big coming soon. I do not want to talk about it right now because I want it to come to pass. I don't want it to be jinxed by anything. But it's gonna be part of my story, so whatever. But I'm very, very excited about what's to come. I'm very grateful for God just being patient with me, because now I actually feel like I know what career path and what I need to do to impact people, and what God designed for me to be on this earth for. It has been a long 13 years that I have been on this journey to find myself. I thank God for me not having children and getting married before it was my time, because this time alone has been able to bless me, and for God to be able to show me what's inside of me that needed fixed, what needed to be in my life, what did not need to be in my life, and to really be able to show me what he wants me to do on this earth while I'm here, and to know my true destiny and calling for his kingdom, because it's all about my relationship with God. It's the most important relationship with me. No, I don't spend the time with him that I used to. I need to really get back to that. I'm not gonna say I wish I could, because I absolutely could. I could turn off my TV, turn off social media, and when I get home at night, you know, zone in. But you know, life just gets busy. But God knows my heart and what really I want to do, and I'm just ready to go on my journey. I actually feel like now it's my time to do what I have always wanted to do, which was just live out my purpose and destiny on this earth, and to be able to show my nieces and anyone that watches me like it's possible for anyone. Not saying I'm where I want to be at, but I'm on my journey. Like, I'm seriously, like, literally on my journey now to getting to where I want to be, and being able to see like all my dreams and things like that come true. And I hope y'all stay tuned to watch everything that transpires and goes on. This video is a little bit longer than I wanted it to be, because I get to rambling, but we will definitely have several different things. I'm gonna throw out some stuff in the feed of YouTube, and you tell me like what things do you want to see, and that is how we will be going. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Next week we're gonna have a whole schedule about what we're gonna be doing. It's gonna be very informative information. The next video will be about how much money I need to buy a house. Okay, all right, and I will do the calculations to everything for y'all, because I'm gonna be ready. I'm gonna be all in. Okay, love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.